Alright, situation. The base support at O of the overhead traffic signal assembly shown is assumed to be fixed. So fixed daw to. Each traffic signal has a mass of 36 kilograms, while the masses of members OC and AC are 50 kilograms and 55 kilograms respectively. The mass center of member AC is at G. So nandito daw. Okay, so determine the moment at C, determine the resultant reaction at O, and determine the moment reaction at O. Okay. So, lagyan muna natin ng mga forces. So, syempre, may bigat ito. Ayan, yung A. So, ang bigat ng A ay, gawin natin Newton 36 times 9.81 para maging Newton. Anyway, kilonewton yung gusto niya, no? So, anyway, divide na natin ng 1,000. Tapos, ito rin, may bigat. So, also, weight ni B is 36 times 9.81. And then yung weight nung AC, ito yon nandito. That would be nandito. This is for OC. So this is for AC, 55. So 55 times 9.81. And then yung OC, nakatayo siya. So somewhere dito sa gitna. Okay, so yung weight ni OC ay 50 times 9.81. So ganyan. Okay? So now, for the first question, we are asked, what would be the moment at C? Okay, so lagyan ko lang ito ng pangalan So lagyan ko ito ng weight ni AC. Para lang hindi ko siya isusulat ng mahaba. And then ito yung weight ni OC. Ayan. Okay, so to find the moment at C, so kumbaga introduce ko lang dito sa problem na to, yung tinatawag natin na method of members, no? Method of members or method of section. Wherein we can detach a certain section of the structure anytime. So let's detach member ABC. So let's draw the free body diagram of member ABC. So bali ganito lang yun. Ganyan, So meron ditong weight nung A. Nandito yung weight nung B. And then, nandito kunwari yung weight nung AC. Okay, tapos yung nandito, okay, ito ngayon. Yung nung dinitouch natin siya, take note na wala namang nakaspecify kung anong klaseng connection yan. So, kapag wala nakaspecify, no, automatic, we will assume that that connection is a fixed connection. Kasi ano siya, isang structure yan di ba? So, fixed connection yan. So, dahil fixed connection yan, we will idealize this to be a fixed support. Okay? And because of that, meron ditong reaction sa C. Meron ditong horizontal reaction sa C. Tapos meron din diyang moment reaction. Actually, ang tinatanong lang sa atin, ano yung moment reaction sa C? Or ano yung moment sa C? So, para ma-solve yun, we will just take moment about C, no? Okay, tapos may mga distances, di ba? So, lagyan ko lang ng distances. So, this is 5 meters, 1 meter, and 4 meters. So, now let's take summation of moment at C equal to 0, assuming counterclockwise to be positive. So, we have WA. Ang moment arm ng WA galing sa C, ito. So, 5 plus 1 plus 4. So, that's 10. Okay? So, lagyan ko na lang din ng para makita. So, this is 10. Tapos yung layo naman ito dito ay 5. Then yung layo nito dito is obviously 4. Okay? So, ang rotation na ipoproduce si WA about C ay counterclockwise. Next, yung WB also counterclockwise. Moment arm is 5. And then we have weight ni AC. Okay, so moment arm is 4. Tapos in-assume ko na yung moment reaction sa C ay clockwise. Okay, tapos wala namang moment itong CY tsaka CX about point C. So that is all equal to 0. So therefore, from here, we should be able to calculate the moment at C. So what is that? Tignan natin. So dito ko nalalagay yung WA times 10 plus dito ko lalagay yung WB times 5, tapos dito ko lalagay yung WAC times 4. Yun na yun, no? Tapos press calc. Ano yung A? Di ba yung A ay ito. This one, no? 36 times 9.81. Tapos ano yung B? Actually, yung B tsaka yung A same lang. Tapos yung C ay 55 times 9.81. Okay, and that will give us the moment at C. So the moment at C is 7455.6. But this is in Newton meter. Ang gusto ni problem, kilonewton meter. So divide lang natin ng 1,000 para maging kilonewton. So the moment at C is 7.46 kilonewton meter. And that will be our answer for the first question. Okay, so that is letter A. Okay, next. So actually, dito, we don't need to solve first. Although, pwede naman i-solve yung CY tsaka CX. Pero hindi naman kasi tinatanong, di ba? Pero pwede mo naman i-solve. Summation of forces ka lang. Pero sa number 2 kasi, ang tanong na, determine the resultant reaction at O. So, ano yung reaction daw dito? So, this time, ang i-analyze na natin yung free body diagram ng whole structure. Which is, ito na yon. Ito na yung free body diagram ng whole structure. Okay? So, para makompleto yung free body diagram ng whole structure, 'di ba sinabi naman na fixed support ito. So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong vertical reaction, meron din siyang horizontal reaction, and then meron ding moment reaction. Okay? So, tinatanong yung resultant reaction at O. Resultant reaction in kilonewton. So, ibig sabihin, yung resultant reaction na tinutukoy dito is yung force. No? Force. So, bali, ito yon itong dalawa. No? Itong dalawa. Pag pinag-combine mo yan, yun yung reaction sa O. So, kailangan lang natin kunin yung OY tsaka OX. Okay? So, lagay ko na dito, no? Considering FBD of whole structure. Okay, so I will take summation of forces X is equal to 0 and it will turn out that OX is equal to 0. Bakit? Kasi wala namang ibang horizontal forces acting on the structure. Diba? Puro downward yun. So wala siyang kukontrahin dito. So 0 ang value nito. So OY na lang yung kailangan natin computin. So if you would take summation of forces Y equal to 0, so we will have, assuming upward positive. Ay, o kaya para lang maiba, no? Pwede rin kasi guys, hindi ka mag-assume ng sign convention. Pwede na lang din na lahat ng upward equal sa lahat ng downward. Pwede rin ganyan. Okay? So ano ba yung lahat ng upward? So in-assume ko na yung OY ay upward. Ano yung mga downward? So actually, mga downward, lahat to. Ito, and ito. Sorry. AC pala. Okay? So in short, yung OY is just summation lang ng lahat ng bigat. 'Di ba? O di add natin lahat. Ang lahat ng bigat ay 36. Ayan, 36 plus 36 plus 55 plus 6. So mamaya ako na multiply 9 point. So pare-pares naman kasi lang i-multiply ng 9.81. So ganyan. So we will have 1736.37 Newton. So yun yung OY. Okay? So, and then, di ba, para makuha yung RO, resultant, so square root supposedly yun ng OX squared plus OY squared. Kaya lang, 0 to. Kaya lumalabas dyan na yung total reaction sa O will just be equal to OY, which is equal to 1736.37 or that is in kilonewton, 1.74 kilonewtons. And that will be our answer. Okay, 1.74. Lastly, determine the moment reaction at O in kilonewton meter. So, moment reaction at O. So, ito naman ang hahanapin natin. Di ba yan? Okay? So, ganun ulit. We will take moment about O and we will consider this entire structure. So, tignan nyo maigi ha. Ito, iikot dito. Di ba? Ang moment arm natin is 10. So, parang ito rin yun. Ito, iikot dito sa O. Ang moment arm natin is 5. So, ito rin yun. Tapos itong WAC, iikot din sa O, ang moment arm mo ay 4, so ito rin yun. Di ba? Tapos, ang nadagdag lang is itong weight na to sa pole OC. Kaya lang, walang moment yun sa O dahil siya ay mag-intersect doon sa point O. So therefore, wala ito. So ang may moment lang itong tatlo. So ibig sabihin, dahil same lang naman lahat yan, no? Pag nag-moment ka sa O, ito rin yung equation na lalabas. Ang lalabas sinasagot natin na moment sa O ay ito rin. Okay, so bakita ko na lang. Summation or isulat ko na, summation ng moment sa O, assuming counterclockwise positive. So, bali, ito rin yun. Ayan din yun. Okay? So, ang naiba lang, ito, moment about O. Or that is 7.46 kilonewton meter. Okay? So, our answer for number 3 is letter A. And that's how we solve this problem.